Hello, this video will address how to load an Excel file into the Persephone software. So let's first look at an Excel file. The Excel file has a very simple structure. There's a maps column, which will contain the chromosome name of the map that you're attempting to load. We'll have a name of the feature you're loading. So in this example, these are marker features. You can also load QTLs, genes, repeats, any feature that you have mapped onto a physical reference genome. For each one of these features, you need to give a start and an end position. Sometimes if these are single nucleotide positions, the start and end position would be the same. And then you have to load in the name of the track that you want to call this feature list. And as you can see here, you can have multiple track names. So we showed you here. So I'm going to load in a track that's named TXP and another track that's named M. And you can load in as many tracks and as many chromosomes in one Excel file as you'd like. So that's the simple structure of the Excel file. So now what you do is you just take that Excel file and you drag and drop it into Persephone. Persephone automatically reads it and understands what type of file it is, and it gives you the information for that file. So if you would just like to see the file as it exists in the Excel sheet, you can select chromosome 1, for example, and you can show your selected map. And now this brings up the two different tracks that were in the Excel file and loads them onto a plate within Persephone. Ideally, you would probably like to load these associated with the data that's already in the system. So now what you can do is you can associate this data. For example, I know that this data was sorghum related. So now I can say I want this data mapped onto the sorghum genome, and the software behind the scenes will find the match. So it looked into the Excel file, saw that the map was chromosome 1, matched it to chromosome 1 in sorghum within the database, and now these two chromosomes are now linked to the data in the database. So now when you select chromosome 1 and show selected maps, you will not only see the two maps from the Excel file that you loaded, but you will also see the data in the database that comes up as well. And this data includes annotations from JGI, mRNA, markers, and some other data sets that are available. And so now this is an easy way for you to get your data into the system with other data. And all the same functionality exists. So the zoom functionality exists. And also when you select a given region to move into the horizontal view, your data also stays consistent with that. So here's your M track and your TXP track located right there. And once again, you can zoom all the way down and see the markers that you just loaded. So hopefully you get the impression that it's very simple to load data into the system using a simple Excel spreadsheet. Thank you very much.